Hi everyone, yasas, que kalosir Feta to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. I'm on a roll with these 60-minute dinner ideas, and I think you're gonna really love this one. It's a honey harissa chicken that's roasted with sweet potatoes, olives, finished off with some feta cheese, and it is so full of flavor, bold, delicious flavors. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy, really nutritious with the sweet potatoes in there. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to begin by making the harissa marinade. This is my favorite harissa marinade of all time. It's a honey harissa with a whole jar of harissa sauce. If you can't find this in your local supermarket, I can put the link for my favorite harissa sauce on Amazon and you can get it there. And I also have a recipe for it on the blog. So the harissa sauce is going to go in. I like to get the mildly spicy one. They do make it a little bit spicier, and sometimes it does tend to be extra spicy, so test it out before you make the marinade. Taste it so that way you can see where you're at. We're also going to add 4 tablespoons of honey to this, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. I'm just going to squeeze half a lemon straight into here, and then I'll take out the seeds just with my hand. You can use balsamic vinegar instead if you prefer. 4 garlic cloves that are finely grated. That's just going to go in the big bowl. A teaspoon of ground cumin powder, a teaspoon of ground coriander powder, a teaspoon of either sweet or smoked paprika. I'm using smoked paprika today. A little pinch of crushed red pepper flakes if your harissa sauce isn't already too spicy. And then since we're using about 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, or you can season it to your liking, and then some freshly cracked black pepper. Mix everything all together and then add the chicken to this. You can definitely use chicken with the skin on for this and the bone in. It's just going to take a little bit longer to cook in the oven. Coat the chicken with all of that delicious marinade, and if you have 30 minutes, let it sit for 30 minutes so that way the flavors can really penetrate. Set the chicken aside and let it sit and marinate for a little while we prepare the vegetables. So I'm using sweet potatoes today. They add so much more nutrition and really great flavor. It goes well with the harissa. If you'd like, you can leave the sweet potatoes out. You can use butternut squash instead, or just plain Yukon Gold or russet potatoes. Peel them and then cut them into cubes and add them to a baking tray along with an onion. You can use a red onion or a sweet yellow onion. Cut that up into pieces as well. I just like to cut it into quarters and then slice it up so it's not too thick. And that's going to go in the baking pan. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the veggies and season them with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Toss everything all together so everything is well seasoned. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These are going to go in the oven and just get a little bit of a head start for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll take the pan out and add the chicken to it. So the chicken and all of the sauce, I like to add the harissa sauce over the chicken even after I put it in the pan. I think it just tastes better that way. Just put the chicken between the veggies, and this is going to go back into the oven and bake for about 20 or 25 minutes longer. Take it out of the oven, and then I'm going to add my olives to this. I like to use pitted olives because it's less work. You can use a combination of Kalamata and the green Castelvolturno olives. I love those. Or you can just use one kind of olive or your favorite olive combination. Just go ahead and sprinkle the olives over the chicken and the veggies. And when olives roast in the oven, they actually get a little bit of a nuttiness to them, and they're not as sharp as when they're fresh, and they just add lovely flavor to the dish. This is going to go back into the oven and bake for about 10 more minutes. As soon as it comes out of the oven, we're going to crumble over some feta cheese. This is going to soften up a little bit and just add so much more flavor. Top it with some finely chopped parsley, and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, dinner ready in under an hour as promised. You're gonna get juicy chicken, sweet caramelized sweet potatoes, the briny olives that mellow out when you roast them. I love roasting olives. It just makes them taste so much better. And then of course we finish it off with feta cheese that's creamy. And as it sits over the hot chicken and potatoes, it's gonna melt a little bit or soften up a little bit. And the whole combination of flavors is to die for. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you wanna print it out, you can head on over to the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.